AI has changed the world. The OpenAI software has officially released one of a kind. I can say a bombshell. Chatgpt. Everywhere on the net, people from Timbren, LinkedIn, and Quora, people are talking about Chatgpt. There are many groups of people benefiting from Chatgpt. So I gave a try to myself to use this free AI software. First, it took me hours to think and write scripts for YouTube videos. So I'm going to give you a quick tips on how to use ChatGPT. But the best thing is, you don't have to do any task yourself. AI has helped you, so please subscribe to this channel. Also stick to the end of this video and I will show you how to write emails for marketing using ChatGPT, how to write script for YouTube videos, and the best blog post. Now let's get started.